Welcome to a world of vibrant serenity, where colors dance in harmony and patterns weave stories of tranquility. In this mesmerizing video, we invite you to explore the captivating beauty of mandalas, intricate circles that are more than just art. They are windows to inner peace. As you watch, let the kaleidoscope of colors transport you to a place of relaxation and meditation. These mandalas are more than drawings. They're therapeutic journeys for the mind and soul. Whether you seek a moment of mindfulness, a break from the chaos, or simply an appreciation for the beauty of art, our colorful mandalas have something to offer everyone. So take a deep breath, hit play, and let yourself be enveloped by the soothing world of mandalas. Discover the calming power of colors and patterns as they guide you to a place of inner serenity. Don't just watch. Immerse yourself in this visual symphony of tranquility. Let the colors and patterns wash over you, leaving you refreshed and inspired. Experience the magic of colorful mandalas. Press play and start your journey to relaxation and inspiration now.